Guys, this is the project of my husband. Cnc Engraving Machine 8060Z. Can cut wood, aluminum, and brush through the computer program. Look guys, how it works. You cannot see it now because it's dusty. After we can see the result. And this is the whole machine. This is my husband. He do step by step, one by one, installing the machine. And now it's done. And this is the cooling system machine with water and with the rusty chemicals. We put the rusty chemicals so it will not rust the spindle needle. Anti-rust. You can see the red in the hose. This is anti-rust. But this is water, guys. We put the anti-rust only so it will not be rusted. This is for cooling the machine while it's working. Because you know it will become hot. And this is the CNC machine controller 8060Z. There is power, there is VFD. I don't know guys, about engineering I don't know. Ask my husband. And now this is the computer. This is now the program. He put the program all this guys. It can cut also accessories. But you need the program. Accessories as you like. Anyway, this is now his project. And he is happy because he's working already. And now this is the finishing. We already done 3 pieces. These 3 pieces. That's the one just now I take is the number 4. So this is the cutting, this is the result. Look at guys. This is gonna be a train boxes. Train boxes for the gift, for something that's, you know, giving a gift. Someone is already ordered this one. So that's it guys. That's my hobby creation. Thanks. Please watch, subscribe, and comment below. We will answer your questions after. Thank you for watching.